अगर वो इन सारी फेज़ अपने ड्यूरिंग इट्स एकेडमिक्स वो इन सारी चीज़ों से गुज़र चुका होगा, तो व्हेन इट कम्स टू इट्स प्रोफेशनल लाइफ उसकी पर्सनालिटी इतनी ग्रूम्ड होगी, इतनी बिल्डेड अप होगी कि उसको किसी तरीके का कोई भी इशू आगे फेस नहीं करना पड़ेगा. I am Dua Fatima Mohammad Fauzi Bhamro, presently working as the President of All Revenue Sindh Employees Association, Women's Wing for Sindh. Khudi Talks was the one from which I was supposed to gain knowledge, I was supposed to gain motivation during my preparatory phase. And now it is a privilege that today I am sitting back over here and giving the interview to the team Khudi Talks. The educational background of mine is my degree is in international relations. I did my schooling from EWAS Academy, Hyderabad, and my FSc from Hayat Girls College, Hyderabad. Right after doing that, I joined University of St. Jamshoro for the department International Relations. I completed my degree in 2017. From not just from joining university, I started participating in extra co-curricular activities, but from the very beginning, when I was in a school, I was a child who was always there in multiple activities. Not just, I was not just a student who was only supposed to be a bookworm, but I was a student who was supposed to learn from environment as well. I was a student who was used to participate in multiple activities, be it debating, be it public speaking, be it spelling bee, fancy dress competition. Like, I was a student who was an all-rounder student, not just in studies but in extra co-curricular activities as well, which helped me in my further educational, you can say, journey when I was doing my FSc from Hayat Girls College. In Hayat as well, Hayatians are always active in extra co-curricular activities, as everybody know. So I was always selected to perform at regional level as well as at provincial level in the field of English debating, because I was an English debater. So we represented Hayat Girl, like basically I and obviously my team as well. We represented Hayat Girls College on multiple platforms at Cadet College, Petaro, as well as Rashdabad, Sargodian Spirit Rashdabad. So we were not just supposed to go over there to compete, but I and my other counterparts, like my other colleagues, my other class fellows, we were used to win positions as well. And then moving forward to our university time, when I entered in University of Sindh. So when you enter in university, it grooms you. It not just grooms you, but it gives you pathways as well. It polishes you, because university has diversity basically. There are multiple students, there are multiple teachers, there are students who come from multiple backgrounds. You meet with different minds over there. There was a particular department who was supposed to deal with extra co-curricular activities. Its name is STEGS. So the students who are studying in University of Sindh, I'll suggest them the particular department by the name of STEGS. It is located at arts faculty. So I gave audition over there. There was advertisement which was pasted on each and every softboard of multiple departments of our university. As I entered over there, I was a first year student. I didn't knew much about university and all that. So after reading that advertisement, I gave that particular audition. I got selected, and then I performed over there. My first position in first year was that I won Allama Iqbal Open Shields regional round in entire Sindh University. And then I competed with all of the universities who were competing for that particular title of Allama Iqbal debater, like Allama Iqbal Shield winner. So after that particular time phase of regional level competition. I moved forward, and then I competed with the students who were coming over there from entire Sindh, and Alhamdulillah I qualified second round as well. And then Alhamdulillah I went to Islamabad to represent University of Sindh from Sindh, basically from Sindh province. So Alhamdulillah I won from that as well, from there as well, and I was given the title of Allama Iqbal Shield winner, which was not just a competition, but it gave me basic learning of preparing topics on the spot. So I want to give a message to all of the students who are studying in in University of Sindh. You must engage yourself in multiple activities. Going in your department, attending your classes is not just enough. Learn from the environment of university. Learn from people over there. Try to compete in multiple you can say competitions. Try to compete with people who are coming in your university for multiple competitions from Punjab, KP, Balochistan, because it will give you a basic sense of how a student should groom themselves. So this is an kind advice from my side for University of Sindh students and for the entire students who are looking my interview right now or watching it. And because Khudi Talks was a platform from which I learned, so I want that we should carry out interviews of students, we should carry out interviews of individuals who learn from such platforms. So this is my message. How extracurricular activities grooms the personality of a student. It grooms this way that they learn things out of the box. अब मैं आपको एक मिसाल दूँ. अगर एक बच्चा है, he or she is getting a debate topic which is climate change in case, or which is women harassment, like harassment on women in workplace, और वो बच्चा बेसिकली फिज़िक्स का स्टूडेंट हो, फिज़िक्स डिपार्टमेंट का स्टूडेंट हो, when that particular student will go back, जब वो उस टॉपिक को सर्च करेगा, जब वो उस टॉपिक को के लिए कंटेंट को गैदर करेगा, वो जस्ट उस टॉपिक को सर्च नहीं कर रहा होगा, वो जस्ट उस टॉपिक के लिए कंटेंट गैदर नहीं कर रहा होगा, बट ही विल बी लर्निंग थिंग्स आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स जो उसे क्लासरूम में नहीं सिखाई जाती हैं. एंड वंस he or she will come up and he or she will perform that particular topic, तो उसके लिए वो परफॉर्मेंस जस्ट परफॉर्मेंस नहीं होगी. वो जो नज़रें उसके सामने उसे देख रही होंगी, वो नज़रों से भी सीखेगा. उसके अंदर वो एक कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग का एसेंस पैदा होगा. एंड देन हाउ, योर लास्ट क्वेश्चन वाज हाउ इट शेप्स द पर्सनालिटी. When all of such things जो उसने अपने उस प्रेपरेटरी फेज से सीखी होंगी, फ़कत एक टॉपिक को प्रिपेयर करने से लेकर परफॉर्म करने तक, यू वोंट बिलीव कि जब वो अपने एकेडमिक्स की तरफ किसी ना किसी अपने एकेडमिक डिग्री के हिसाब से जॉब के लिए प्रिपेयर करेगा ख़ुद को, जब वो जॉब के इंटरव्यू के लिए जाएगा, तो उसको वो उसके इंटरव्यूअर की नज़र एक अजीब सी नज़र नहीं लगेगी. एंड देन ही विल बी हैविंग करेज टू फेस दैट, एंड लाइक नॉट जस्ट फेसिंग दैट, बट ऑल्सो ही विल बी हैविंग द करेज टू टॉक अबाउट हिज फील्ड. बिकॉज हमारे यहाँ अलमिया ये है कि बच्चों को पता बहुत कुछ होता है, लेकिन उनके पास एक्सप्रेसिंग पावर नहीं है. उनको काफ़ी बार इस चीज़ में हेजिटेशन फ़ील होती है कि जो उनके जो उनका राइटअप है वो उस तरीके से क्यों उसको एक्सप्लेन अप नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. اور اسی وجہ سے ان امپلائمنٹ کا ریشو بھی ہے ہمارے پاس، کیونکہ کانفیڈنس نہیں ہے. In private sector there is competition, in government sector again there is competition. اگر ہم پرائیویٹ بھی بات کریں، اگر ایک بچہ کسی پرائیویٹ کمپنی کے لیے، ایک اچھی کمپنی کے لیے انٹرویو دے رہا ہے، وہاں پہ بھی اس کو کانفیڈنس کے لیے کانفیڈنس ہی چاہیے ہوگا ٹو ایکسپلین ہز پوزیشن، ٹو ایکسپلین اباؤٹ ہز ایکسپیرئنس، ہز پاسٹ ایکسپیرئنس. اینڈ وین اٹ کمس ٹو گورنمنٹ سیکٹر، وہاں پہ بھی یہ ساری چیزیں کام آتی ہیں. تو اگر وہ ان ساری فیز اپنے ڈیورنگ اٹس اکیڈمکس وہ ان ساری چیزوں سے گزر چکا ہوگا، تو وین اٹ کمس ٹو اٹس پروفیشنل لائف، اس کی پرسنالٹی اتنی گرومڈ ہوگی، اتنی بلڈڈ اپ ہوگی کہ اس کو کسی طریقے کا کوئی بھی ایشو آگے فیس نہیں کرنا پڑے گا.